ويو على فكرة جديدة يا ساسا. هنلعب بوك مصارعة. والبوكس مصارعة تحذير مهمة. بقول لي العب ما تجرب هذا في المنزل. ده عرض ولا ايه؟ انا يا سفاوي العب مصارعة في المنزل؟ خش على الفيديو، تشترك منك اشتراك وتفعلوا الجرس. بشكركم على الدعم على 143 مشاهدة لحد دلوقتي. خش على الفيديو. دخلنا للمسرعة وهنلعب المسرعة. انا اخترت جون سينا قدام الراجل ده اللي معرفش اسمه. انا ماليش في المصارعة، شايفين؟ ماليش في المصارعة بنص جنيه، يعني ما بحبش العبها، ما بعرفش العبها، ما بحبش اتفرج عليها. عارف ان كل ده سيناريوهات وسكريبت مكتوب لاجل ان توقعوا بيا يا مصارعين يا غالي 60، لكن اهم جون سينا هو الافضل من ذا روك. ولا ذا روك انا بلعب بالروسية صح؟
The self-proclaimed head of the table, Roman Reigns, truly believes he is the pinnacle of this business and takes issue with anyone who attempts to challenge that position.
Self-proclaimed, Cole? Believes he's the pinnacle? Reigns carries himself like he's at the top of this industry because he is at the top of this industry. Everything he does is a statement of dominance and authority that you would do well to acknowledge.
Reigns definitely has proven himself many times over the years.
And he has his work cut out for him, as John Cena will no doubt be putting in the work in this match.
Not an exception, it's the rule of law when it comes to someone with the resolve and determination of Cena. Not that there are many others with that same level of drive as him. No muss, no fuss on that delivery. Someone clearly doesn't want this match to go on much longer than it has to. Textbook scoop slam. Nicely done.
Turned that one around. John Cena with a rough blow there. The natural dominance of Reigns getting a bit challenged there.
Yeah, Cena came prepared for a big fight, and he's really bringing it now. Roman Reigns sits on the mountaintop of this business, and of all the things that have gotten him this far in his career, you can't deny how important confidence has been for him. That overwhelming belief in himself and his abilities has been a large part of his success, and he can never let that falter.
I'd expect that confidence of Roman's to play a big part in this match here.
Agonizing.
And Cena finds himself on the receiving end. Shoulder tackle. Setting up for something here.
Beat the side.
Quickly to cover. He kicks out with authority.
This isn't even close to over.
Attacked in the midsection.
Strong right forearm.
Lariat. Roman Reigns doing what he does best, just stomping the hell out of his opponent.
I don't think his opponent's safe here. Kill the headlights.
Drive by.
Reigns had Cena in his sights and put him down with authority.
Oh, Roman Reigns locked and loaded, measuring his opponent.
Spear. Reigns put his stamp on this one. That's gotta be it.
Two. He's still in this fight.
Cena kicks out. I mean, he doesn't say never give up for nothing, guys. This is what John Cena is made of. Never give up isn't a catchphrase. It's Cena's way of life.
It's not often we see the tribal chief held up at the 1-yard line. You have to think Roman will want to dial up that maneuver one more time. Roman Reigns is just taking command.
And Reigns continues to grind at Cena to wear him down with every passing moment.
Sit-out powerbomb.
Thunderous impact.
Utilizing the top rope to inflict more punishment.
Draped over the top rope.
Roman with his opponent across his own shoulders and driven down with a flapjack.
Reigns plans in motion. From the top. Diving elbow drop. Are you kidding me? And Cena is taking on a lot of offense now.
And the overwhelming confidence of Reigns has gotten him this far. It could take him all the way.
Oh, stop right to the hand. Oh, look at this. Just cranking the head. That's got to hurt.
Just cranking the head.
Ooh, that hurt. You can't take much more of this.
Yeah, this is not good.
You don't say, Saxton.
If anyone... Reigns!
Cena wasn't ready. Could be over.
Cover! 2 count. It is enough. Finally, it's over.
Here is your winner,
This is one of the biggest wins of Roman Reigns' career.
We are all in disbelief and shock. There's no...
انا بحبكم وانتوا بتحبوني، يبقى فمش حاجه انا في اللعبه دي، بس لعبه غريبه قوي، غريبه قوي قوي. انتوا حبايبي من زمان وانا بحبكم فعلا من زمان، عشان كده بقول لكم اشتركوا لايك واشتراك وتفعلوا الجرس وتعملوا كل حاجه عاوزينها، عشان دلوقتي انا عاوز اشوف بس المصارعين جوه، عاوز اشوف بس مين يعني. في حد اعرف في مفيش حد اعرف. ذكر بطل، ايوه هي بقى البطل. انثى سام، انا عاوز سام. ايه ده بقى؟ لا ايه ده؟ بس عشان بجرب حاجة دلوقتي، لو نفعت يبقى في حاجة. يعني ايه كل ده على الغلبان ده؟ يا نهار اسود، انت هتتهانى. اسمك ايه؟ مش كسبت جون سينا وعلمت على جون سينا وقلت له يا جون سينا ركز معايا، وقلت له يو كان سي مي وسط جماهيره وعرضه معاك سعيد قشطة. اللي بقى لا الناس طبعا عايز نعمل. انا اسف يا ايام مصارع الدنيا، هو كل واحد يعمل تقديم ولا فاضيين؟
And like it or not, you have to acknowledge it. Roman Reigns has amassed an almost unthinkable amount of power here in WWE.
Roman has no doubt been cold-hearted and cutthroat, even devious in the process of achieving and maintaining that power. But there's simply no denying that he is currently the only one on his level.
Let me tell you something about Otis. This man looks better than ever and clearly feels better than ever. Otis just has a newfound confidence about him, and when confidence and...
From the top.
Targeting the stomach to reverse that maneuver.
Oh! Draped across the top rope.
Clubbing forearm.
Ooh, bad landing.
I honestly can't believe we just saw a human being tossed like that.
Agonizing.
Hoping to end it early. He kicks out before the count hits 2.
I thought he might have had him there, but it's early.
He was waiting for him to make his move.
He got whipped into that corner. Boom! What a right.
Gosh, vicious, downright savage club right there.
Oh, walloped by a huge club.
Going up top.
Soaring.
Oh, God, that's a bad landing.
That didn't look good at all. A ringside doctor's on hand if needed.
Reigns averts the attack. 2. Switches into a flapjack.
4. It's the red, white, and blue Thunderbolt.
وكده في بتاع ده كله خلص لحد كده. انا يعني انا سرعت شويه واتصدمت ان ازاي ده طلع قدام واحد طلع عادي. مش تعمل لك اشتراك في الفيديو وتفعل الجرس وتقول يا سف ويا عم الكل. ما عدا انتوا عمامي. سلام.